Welcome back to Mindshift Mechanics. In today's session, we're going to talk about how to automatically highlight a row based off where you click. We are going to use VBA and conditional formatting. In a traditional setting, a person might be highlighting the row like this. As you can see here, it's very inefficient. So let's undo that. The first step is we need to enable the developer mode. So if you don't already have this here, go to Excel, Preferences, Ribbon. At the very bottom, make sure the developer tab is checked. Hit save, and it should pop up right here. Next, let's go ahead and highlight the table of where we want it to be highlighted. So we're going to do it from M and R. Go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules, Plus, Style, Classic. We are going to use a formula. Input the following. Let's adjust the formatting of what we highlight. Change it to a bluish color. Here is a preview. Hit OK. Hit OK. As you can tell, it highlighted the header row automatically. However, we are not done. Let's go to the Developer tab, click on Visual Basics. Ensure you're on Sheet 1, which is the sheet you're on. Between the private sub and the end sub, input the following. Hit Escape. And now, if you click anywhere within the table, it would automatically highlight the row. It also will highlight the row if you click outside from the left. However, it will not highlight the row from the top. But say if you want to extend the row of the highlight all the way to column A. To do so, what I normally do is just remove the current conditional formatting, highlight from column A all the way to column R, click conditional formatting, and do the process all over again. And there you have it. Thank you for joining Mindshift Mechanics. If you like this type of information, please do a thumbs up and subscribe. And in the comment section, let me know what you're trying to work on, and we'll put a special project together.